This is Zachman277. I'm going to go around and show you some of the tractors we got. Here's our Farmall Super M. Actually, there's some tractors I can't take you to because they're at a different farm. We have one of the M's with the generator on it. This one we just traded for a new Kuhn mower. It's a Ford. I'm not even sure exactly what it is. All I know it's a Ford. It's got a flat. We got the forklift. It's a KCX. I don't even know what the CC or whatever you call it on those things. This is our 1530. I have some videos about that on YouTube. Our 1020, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's got a new Rhino behind it. Pretty sure that's like a 7-foot. And we got our new McCormick up here. It's for sale. We don't use it. As you can tell, the tires haven't been worn out or anything. And then we got a C over here. Farmall C. And all this crap's for sale. Used, brand new Vermeer 605. Old. I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that works. It wouldn't be sitting out here. A little International. Use that for Gramy's garden. It's a Farmall 140. And of course, you all know Logan Man. That's some old tractors in here. I don't even know if this one even works. Oh, then we got a John Deere A back under there. Tank 0 turn. Crappy lawnmower. There's another Farmall Cub. I got the John Deere A back here. Old, painted. In good shape though. Push mowers. Junk. We're gonna take a shortcut. 4320's here, not right now. That's the bad part. Ruben's out mowing with it, I guess. Of course, you'll know the John Deere 4020 hydraulic lift. That'll help you get the bales up higher. I'm going to show you the crap in here. There's tons of tractors in here. All kinds of M's. I mean, some of them are not even in here. And there's tractors way back there. Another one behind that one. Sorry, but I'm not going to show you all them. Go back out here. Got, I don't know what kind that is. Oh, it says it right there on the front. Oh, tripped over a rock. Here's our other John Deere 4020. Not tricycle front. I wish it was. Be nice to have two tricycle fronts. New Vermeer. We're using that. Trying to get it used so somebody might come and buy it if we use it a little bit. Let's see what we got back here. I guess I'll start over here. We got this is what Ruben bales with and stuff. Mirror 605. Kind of dark in here. McCormick MTX 150. This is our four-wheel drive one. This is the 120. That's not ours. Some dude just, I don't know, I think it's their uncle or somebody asked to store it here. Steam engine. Or redneck trailer, I guess you could say, or rollback, and the combine, and then the Farmall 400. It's our sled over there we use for the sleds. The tractor pulls. There's tons of junk out there. Balers, trucks. There's a Ford, and there's some semis out there. Brand new mower sitting over here. Haven't even been used. Go up in here, pull tractors and everything's in here. Another Farmall 400. Farmall, I don't even know what that is. I like like this one. This one sounds, it's got 2 engines in it. It sounds like a race car when you start it up. One of the pull tractors. It's an NTA. So that's the Farmall M. Another Vermeer mower. Farmall H. Actually, there's some more of these in the shop. There's a Farmall 1256 Turbo dumper, International 400, 530 John Deere, four-wheeler. And there's a 730 in the shop. No, a 4060 or something. I don't remember. Farmall something. And then we got, what else is in the shop? Another Farmall H. And I think I've showed you everything except up there, the bell wrapper. We got a right up there. Somehow we got a, what's it called? Square bale stacker somehow. I don't know where we got it. I'm guessing we traded it for something. Not for sure. There's all kinds of crap up here. Bale wrapper, mower, hay trailers, square baler. All kinds of stuff out there. Brand new coon rake. We got a bale trailer, little rakes. And just all that crap. Yeah, well, that's pretty much all of our tractors except the ones that aren't here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.